Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing good, and today I'm sharing a recipe of chicken masala, which is a very quick recipe, and for that we need boneless chicken and some basic spices. We need fresh chopped garlic. Take one pan and add oil in it, and when oil heat up, add zira, 1 spoon of zira and half onion, and when onion turns golden brown, then add boneless chicken into it and cook chicken until it changes the color. And once it's changed the color, add garlic and cook for 2 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, add spices into it, which is 1 spoon of salt, 1 spoon of red chili powder, 1 spoon of red crushed pepper, 1.5 spoon of dhania jeera powder, add turmeric means haldi, and then add 2 pinches of garam masala powder and stir well and cook for around 2 to 3 minutes. When all separated, then add 3 full spoons of yogurt and stir well and cook for another 2 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, add cilantro means dhania and green chili. Mix well and then cook for 6 to 7 minutes on medium to low flame. Chicken masala is ready to eat. Enjoy with your choice of naan or chapati. Hope you all like this quick recipe. If you have any question, do let me know by comments below, and thank you so much for watching.